Hi, hello students. Welcome to our 11th physics class. This video continue with first lesson Nature of Physical World and Measurement. Now we are going to learn about propagation of errors. A number of measured quantities may be involved in final calculation of experiment. Different type of instrument might have been used for taking readings. The error in final result depend on first point, the errors in the individual measurement, and second one on the nature of mathematical operations performed to get the final result. The various possibilities of the propagations or combination of errors in different mathematical operations are discussed. First one, error in the sum of two quantities. Second one, error in the difference of two quantities. Third one, error in the product of two quantities. Fourth one, error in the division or quotients of two quantities. Last one, error in the power of a quantity. Okay, now discuss about first one, error in the sum of two quantities. Sum means additional quantities. A and B, two quantities, and del A, del B is absolute errors in the two quantities A and B. Measured value of A is A plus or minus del A. This is equation number 1. Measured value of B, B plus or minus del B. This is equation number 2. Del means change of variable. Plus or minus means the change of value sometime added, sometime subtraction. Consider the sum Z A plus B. This is equation number 3. The error del Z in Z is then given by Z plus or minus del Z equal to A plus B. This is equation number 4. Then equation number 1, 2 substitute in equation number 4. Then Z plus or minus del Z equal to A plus or minus del A plus B plus or minus del B. Next added to same variable. So A plus B plus or minus del A plus del B. Already we know that Z equal to A plus B. So Z value substitute above in this equation. So equal to Z plus or minus del A plus del B. So finally we get Z plus or minus del Z. This is equation number 5. Error in the sum of two quantities. Final result is the maximum possible error in the sum of the two quantities is equal to the sum of the absolute error in the individual quantities. For example, 1.5, two resistance R1 equal to 100 plus or minus 3 ohms, R2 150 plus or minus 2 ohms are connected in series. What is their equivalent resistance? That means find out RS. Given data R1 equal to 100 plus or minus 3 ohms, R2 150 plus or minus 2 ohms. So RS equal to what? RS is equivalent series resistance, that means total resistance. R1 and R2 is resistance of 1 and 2. Equivalent series resistance formula RS is equal to R1 plus R2. Already we know that R1 and R2 value. So substitute in this equation. So R1 equal to 100 plus or minus 3 plus R2 150 plus or minus 2. 100 plus 150 250 and errors plus or minus 3 plus or minus 2. So plus or minus 5. The unit of resistance is ohm. Its value mean by 250 plus 5 or 250 minus 5, that is 255 or 245. The equivalent series resistance RS is approximately 245 to 255 ohm. Next, second one, error in the difference of two quantities. Difference means subtractions. Consider the difference Z equal to A minus B. Already we know that A equal to A plus or minus del A. B is B plus or minus del B. So Z plus del Z equal to A minus B. This is equation number 5. Equation number 1 and 2 substitute in equation number 5. So that is A plus or minus del A minus B plus or minus del B. Listen, now main value only subtractions but error value added. That means minus 2 minus 4 or plus 2 is plus 4. Second one, error in the difference of two quantities. Result is the maximum error in the difference of two quantities is equal to the sum of the absolute errors in the individual quantities. For example 1.6, the temperatures of two bodies measured by a thermometer are T1 20 plus 0.5 degree Celsius and T2 is 50 plus or minus 0.5 degree Celsius. Calculate the temperature difference and the error therein. Given data T1 and T2 is temperature, and first one T1 equal to 20 plus or minus 0.5 degree Celsius. This is equation number 7. And temperature T2 is 50 plus or minus 0.5 degree Celsius. This is equation number 8. T1 and T2 temperature of two bodies. Temperature difference T is T2 minus T1 when T2 greater than T1. This is equation number 9. Next equation number 7 and 8 substitute in equation number 9. So T equal to T2 minus T1 equal to 50 plus or minus 0.5 minus 20 plus or minus 0.5. Difference formula Z plus del Z equal to A minus B plus or minus del A plus del B. This is equation number 10. Already we know that A equal to 50, B equal to 20, del A is 0.5 and del B is 0.5. This is all equation number 11. 11 substitute in 10. So Z plus or minus del Z equal to 50 minus 20 plus or minus 0.5 plus 0.5 degree Celsius. Therefore 30 plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. That is mean by 30 plus 1 or 30 minus 1. So therefore 31 or 29. So approximately the difference temperature is 29 to 31 degree Celsius. This is equation number 12. Next, third theory, error in the product of two quantities. Product means other words multiplications. So Z is equal to A into B. This is equation number 13. Already we know that what is A and what is B. A is A plus or minus del A. B is B plus or minus del B. The error del Z in Z. is given by z plus or minus del z equal to a into b. So equation number 1 and 2, substitute above the equation z plus or minus del z equal to a plus or minus del a into b plus or minus del b. This is a plus b into c plus d method. So first of a into c and a into d, and second of b into c, b into d. Therefore z plus or minus del z equal to ab plus or minus a into del b plus or minus b into del a plus or minus del a into del b. Dividing LHS, that means left hand side, by z and right hand side, that means RHS, by AB. We get left hand side one part of z and z cancel, so other part del z divided by z is equal to, and right hand side AB is cancel, and second part A cancel, third part B and B cancel, fourth part no cancelled any value. Next step, left hand side and right hand side one is cancelled, and right hand side del A dot del B divided by AB is cancelled. That means del A divided by A and del B divided by B is small quantities. So the product terms del A divided by A dot del B divided by B is neglected. Then we get del Z divided by Z equal to plus or minus del A divided by A plus or minus del B divided by B. Plus or minus is common. So finally we get del Z divided by Z equal to plus or minus del A divided by A plus del B divided by B. This is equation number 14. Therefore, error in the product of two quantities result is the maximum fractional error in the product of two quantities is equal to the sum of the fractional errors in the individual quantities. For example 1.7, the length and breadth of a rectangle are 5.7 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter and 3.4 plus or minus 0.2 centimeter respectively. Calculate the area of the rectangle with error limits. Area of rectangle is A equal to L into B. Given data's length means L. So L equal to 5.7 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. Breadth is small b. Its value 3.4 plus or minus 0.2 centimeter. So find out A with del A. A means area, that is L into B. This is equation number 15. And the error is del A, and its formula from the error of product of two quantities del Z divided by Z equal to del A divided by A plus del B divided by B. Here Z is A is L, B is small b. So L equal to 5.7 and B equal to 3.4 and del L is 0.1 and del B is 0.2. So substitute in this value above equation. Create formula del A divided by A equal to del L divided by L plus del B divided by B. So del A equal to del L divided by L plus del B divided by B into A. This is equation number 16. Known value LB, substitute in 15 and 16. First off, find out total area A. So A equal to L into B. So L and B value substitute in this equation. So 5.7 into 3.4. Multiplication of 5.7 into 3.4 is 19.38. So that is area is 19.38. Round of value is 19.4 centimeter square. That means the unit of area centimeter square. This is equation number 17. Then calculate the change of area del Z. The change of limit area is del A is equal to 0.1 divided by 5.7 plus 0.2 divided by 3.4 into 19.4. 19.4 is area. So we get 0.1 divided by 5.7 is 0.0175 plus 0.2 divided by 3.4 is 0.0588. Multiplication 19.4. Then 0.0175 plus 0.0588 added 0.0763 into 19.4. So finally we get 1.48022. Rounding off this value 1.5. So the change of error area is del Z it's equal to 1.5. This is equation number 18. Area with error limits A plus or minus del A it's equal to 19.4 plus or minus 1.5 centimeter square. It's equal to, in other simplifications, 19.4 plus 1.5 or 19.4 minus 1.5. That is 20.9 or 17.9. That means the area of rectangle is approximately 17.9 to 20.9 centimeter square. Then next topic, fourth one, error in the division or quotients of two quantities. Here consider the quotients Z equal to A divided by B. The error del Z in Z is given by Z plus or minus del Z equal to A divided by B. This is equation number 20. So we get Z plus or minus del Z equal to A plus or minus del A divided by B plus or minus del B. A is commonly out in numerator terms. So A bracket of 1 plus or minus del A divided by A and whole divided by B is commonly out of denominator value. So B into 1 plus or minus del B divided by B. Then 1 plus or minus del B divided by B term is changed to numerator parts. So its value power of minus 1. And this part using binomial equations. Already we know that what is binomial equations. 4 equation is there. 1 plus x power of plus n or 1 minus x power of minus n is 1 plus nx when x lesser than 1. And 1 plus x power of n or 1 minus x power of plus n is 1 minus nx. So therefore 1 plus del B divided by B power of minus 1 is 1 minus nx formula. So 1 minus del B divided by B. Then next term 1 minus del B divided by B power of minus 1. This is 1 plus nx formula. So we get 1 plus del B divided by B. Then combine this two value 1 minus or plus del B divided by B. This is equation number 22. So, equation number 22 substitute in equation number 21. That is Z plus or minus del Z equal to A divided by B, 1 plus or minus del A divided by A into 1 minus plus del B divided by B. Dividing both side by Z. So we get Z cancel left side and second terms del Z divided by Z equal to right hand side AB and divided by Z is cancel. That means we know that Z equal to A divided by B. So we get 1 plus or minus del Z divided by Z equal to 1 open bracket 1 plus or minus del A divided by A closed bracket into open bracket 1 minus or plus del B divided by B. This multiplication terms, that means A plus B into C into D terms. So multiplication of A into C and plus A into D. Second terms B into C plus B into D. That means 1 minus or plus del B divided by B plus or minus del A divided by A plus or minus del B divided by B dot del A divided by A. Del A divided by A dot del B divided by B is neglected. That is, this is small value. And 1 plus or minus del Z divided by Z equal to 1 plus or minus del A divided by A minus or plus del B divided by B. And left hand and right hand side 1 is cancelled. So the maximum fractional error in Z is given by del Z divided by Z equal to del A divided by A plus del B divided by B. This is equation number 23. Therefore, error in the divisions or quotients of two quantities result is the maximum fractional error in the quotients of two quantities is equal to the sum of their individual fractional errors. For example, 1.8, the voltage across a wire is 100 plus or minus 5 voltage and the current passing through it is 10 plus or minus 0.2 ampere. Find the resistance of the wire. Given data's voltage means capital V, is equal to 100 plus or minus 5 voltage. The unit of voltage is V and current I is equal to 10 plus or minus 0.2 ampere, that means A. So the resistance is R equal to V divided by I. The unit of resistance is ohm. Then R equal to 100 plus or minus 5 divided by 10 plus or minus 0.2. This terms will be mainly divided of two parts. First part is main part, that means R equal to V divided by I, and second part is using fourth degree, that means del R divided by R equal to del V divided by V plus del I divided by I. Then given data's capital V equal to 100 voltage and I equal to 10 ampere and change of voltage, that means del V is 5 voltage. Change of current, that means del I is equal to 0.2 ampere. This all values substitute above in this equation. First of R equal to V divided by I. So R equal to 100 divided by 10. So cancelled. That means R equal to 10 ohm. Then second part, del R divided by R equal to 5 divided by 10 plus 0.2 divided by 10. 5 divided by 100 is 0.05 plus 0.2 divided by 10 is 0.02. It means 0.07. We need del R only. So del R is equal to 0.07 into capital R. Capital R already we know 10 ohm. So R value substitute above in this equation. Del R is equal to 0.07 into 10. That is del R is equal to 0.7 ohm. Finally, we get total resistance is R plus or minus del R equal to 10 plus or minus 0.7 ohm. Its simplification is, or other words means 10.7 or 9.3 ohm. That means the resistance is approximately 9.3 to 10.7 ohm. And last mathematical theory, fifth one is error in power of a quantity. Consider the nth power of a z equal to a power of n. The error del z in z is given by z plus or minus del z is equal to a plus or minus del a power of n. Then a power of n is commonly out in bracket. So equal to a power of n open bracket 1 plus or minus del a divided by a closed bracket whole power of small n. Then equal to z 1 plus or minus n del a divided by a. This is using binomial method. That means 1 plus x power of n is equal to 1 plus nx formula. Dividing both sides by z. Left hand side one part is z divided by z is cancelled and second part del z divided by z is there. It's equal to right hand side z and z is cancelled. So 1 plus or minus n del a divided by a. Then we get left hand side and right hand side 1 is cancelled. So del z divided by z equal to n del a divided by a. Finally, error in the power of a quantity result is the fractional error in the nth power of a quantity is n times the fractional error in that quantity. Propagation of error is important topics and any two subtopic is asking in 5 marks questions and additional and multiplications are there is your book back questions and sometime asking in 3 marks or compulsory 3 marks or 2 marks any one part or 2 parts and sometime asking in power of error is asked in 2 marks and it's very important terms. So you watch it 2 or 3 times and work out your notebooks. These questions fully read and write 2 times. Thank you students.